At Nurtura Tech, we specialize in the research, development, and production of professional motorcycle training equipment. We are deeply rooted in the rider education industry, dedicated to transforming advanced riding techniques into practical, intuitive hardware solutions. Today, we'd like to introduce our latest product, the counter steering indicator. Counter steering is one of the most fundamental techniques in motorcycle cornering. Yet in traditional training environments, it has always been difficult for instructors to observe a student's handlebar input from the outside. The counter steering indicator changes that. The moment a rider applies counter steering input, the LED indicator lights up immediately. The harder the push, the stronger the signal. The lighter the input, the more subtle the display. Students simply ride the course as they normally would, and the indicator naturally reveals their handlebar force in real time. At every moment, instructors standing at the side of the track no longer need to ride alongside students or rely on students' self-reporting. They can instantly and accurately read the handlebar input and provide immediate, precise coaching on the spot. This product is ideal for motorcycle training schools and academies, racing schools and track day programs, driver training institutions, and any organization that takes rider skill development seriously. If your organization is interested in bringing the counter steering indicator into your training program, we warmly invite you to reach out and connect with us. We'd be happy to provide a full demonstration. Nurtura Tech, making riding technique visible.